Hi and welcome to this short introduction video about our launch of AI in Reqtest. I can start by informing that AI is turned off by default in your license, so to enable it you will need to get in touch with us, either through support@reqtest.com or directly through your Customer Success Manager. Once we have activated AI for your account, you will then need to enable it within the specific project where you want to use it. And you do this under the project settings. So we go to the project settings and then you can see the little pen, and here you have the possibility to enable the AI for the specific project. Under customize forms, you can provide instructions or guidelines to the AI that the AI should follow when creating requirements. And this could include how you want the requirements to be structured or which terms, for example, that you want to be used. So if we press AI here, we can see that the examples that we have been giving is that always break down a description into multiple user stories and create a list of 3 to 5 user stories. In the list, use bold text to make the list clearer and use the word system instead of tool. So you can decide what type of input you want to provide, and this applies to all free text fields. So as a project manager, you can ensure that requirements are created in a consent manner with the help of the AI. So you don't have to enter this instruction if you don't want to, but it's a very smart way to make sure that the AI follows your internal guidelines. But now let's take a look on an example. So we go and create a new requirement. So we click here on the create the requirement, and first we have here the title. So then I press and I, for example, said it should be possible to log into our application using Bank ID. And then I press OK. So now here we get a suggestion. On spontaneous, I feel like it's a little bit too long, so I will ask you to, can you please make it shorter? And press OK again. And log in with Banky. This is a title that suits my requirements perfect. And we can see here that I have 3 different options. We have clear, we have copy, and we also have accept. So when it looks good, then I choose to accept, and then we can see it gets saved here by the title. If we go into this description, I write here create a description that details this requirement. There we go. Make a bullet list and write from the user's perspective, and then press OK. And if I look through here, I feel like the suggestion is good, so then I choose to approve it again while pressing accept. What we can see here is that now when we go to the acceptance criteria, since the AI has access to the stored information, such how the text structure should be, I don't need to provide any background information. So I can here simply just write, for example, write, press OK, and then it will understand the context and knows what to write. So basically meaning that it understands the situation and completes the context correctly. So here we can see that we get a good example of the acceptance criteria. And again, here I press accept. If we then create it, we can now see here that if we log in here, we can see that we have a requirement with a title, we have a description, and we have the acceptance criteria. And if you want to adjust anything, you can easily go back to where we were and you can easily edit it. So I can, for example, ask the AI to shorten the description or update something straight away. And then I just remember again, just accept it, and then it will get saved. So with the help of AI, you can control on a project level how the requirements are written and make sure that you're also following the internal guidelines and standards. And this is the first release that we have on the AI in the product, and of course we will continue to develop it. And then in the future we hope to be able to support things like creating test cases and project management, etc. So yeah, as I mentioned, it's now integrated into the product, and we're really excited to be able to implement it more in other areas as well. So if you have any questions or thoughts, or if you're ready to activate it, just let us know.